What if a pro-level drone could live in your backpack and still perform like a studio on the fly? Today we're unpacking the official DJI Neo 2, revealed first in China and arriving globally soon, and why this tiny flyer is more than just an upgrade. Stick with me because I'll walk you through the actual specs, the surprising performance gains, the features that matter to creators, and whether that Hong Kong price tag makes this a holiday steal. Spoiler: there's one feature that completely changes how solo creators shoot. More on that later. DJI went region first with the Neo 2, launching it in Asia, while the global reveal lines up in the days ahead. It's clearly aimed at younger creators and travel shooters. Lightweight at just 151 grams, pocket-friendly, and packed with interactive controls like voice commands, hand gestures, and automatic flight modes that make cinematic shots feel effortless. If you want immersive flying, it's compatible with DJI's FPV gear and optional controllers via a transceiver module for better range and stability. And yes, the China starting price sits at 1,669 Hong Kong dollars, roughly $214 US, surprisingly aggressive for what it offers. Don't be fooled by the size. Flight time edges up to around 19 minutes, and motor and battery tweaks give extra confidence for real-world shooting. Wind handling and sportier maneuvers are noticeably better, and DJI added reinforced prop guards so you can safely film indoors. The control suite also steps up. Motion controller compatibility and low-latency transmission promise smoother framing for solo creators who want to stay in shot without juggling sticks. That motion controller might be the secret weapon for nailing smooth tracking shots without needing a second operator. This is where the Neo 2 really shines. It keeps the 1/2-inch CMOS sensor, but now pairs it with a faster f2.2 lens, improving low-light performance and color clarity. Video recording jumps to 4K 60 frames per second, and you can even shoot 4K 100 frames per second slow motion when using a remote or motion controller. The gimbal gets upgraded from 1-axis to 2-axis stabilization, making footage smoother and more dynamic. Intelligent modes have expanded too. Selfie shot, dolly zoom, and master shots join the lineup, while the improved ActiveTrack now has a new cycling mode that tracks subjects moving up to 12 meters per second. DJI has also pushed the limits of range and storage. Wi-Fi control range jumps from 50 meters to 500 meters, while remote operation still stretches to 10 kilometers under ideal conditions. Internal storage nearly doubles to 49 GB, perfect for those moments when you forget your SD card but still want to capture content on the go. And despite all these upgrades, it remains featherlight at 151 grams, making it ideal for vloggers, travelers, and weekend creators who want to pack light. DJI Neo 2 isn't a toy. It's a compact creative tool built for people who want cinematic footage with minimal fuss. Between 4K 60 frames per second, 4K 100 frames per second slow-mo, better gimbal stabilization, smarter ActiveTrack, voice and gesture controls, and that affordable starting price, DJI's strategy makes sense. If you're a traveler, solo creator, or just someone tired of bulky drones, this could be the pocket-sized upgrade you've been waiting for. So which team are you on? Team Pocket Pro or Team Wait for reviews? Drop your thoughts below. If this breakdown helped, like the video, subscribe for launch day coverage, and ring the bell so you don't miss it.